What's up, guys? John with J&J Auto Wrecking here with our 1996 Toyota Camry, and man, is this thing absolutely disgusting. But lucky for us, we just picked up a sponsorship from Super Clean. So we're gonna take the full Super Clean suite here and see what we can do with this this Camry. I'm just gonna start out here with a little bit of this foaming cleaner. We're just gonna really soak this thing down because there is nothing but funk all over this. Let's see what we got here. Mason, you want to take the camera for me for just a second? Let's let that sit for 1 minute or 5 seconds.
Get a little bit of brush action going on.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what this does with literally just nothing, dude. Let's just see what the Super Clean does.
It's like magic right before your eyes.
All right, let's get a little pressure washer action going. Let's see what she looks like. Thank you, Andy. No problem. All right, guys, here's the payoff. Woo! Now that is one powerful degreaser. We're gonna give this thing a super clean bath, the royal treatment, a full facial, shall we say? Anyways, we're gonna douse this thing head to toe with Super Clean. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, and then we're gonna check back in and do a test video on this. We are back with the Super Clean Camry cleanup project, I guess you could say. And I am thoroughly impressed. This thing cleaned up extremely well. We used nothing but these Super Clean products right here. Hit her pretty heavy with the foaming degreaser, and then we used a lot of the straight degreaser under the hood, and then a little bit of the floor absorbent to clean up somebody's mess, this guy. But I'm gonna let the results speak for themselves, folks. This is our Camry after a 30-minute soak of Super Clean and a pressure washer. Look at all that crud on the floor here that Mason is sweeping away. Super Clean literally broke this all up and just blasted it off the car. This thing's ready for resale. Take a look at what it did to the motor though, because that is where she was really disgusting.
Used to be yours for $19.95.
Yeah, broke through all that tough grime on this motor. Very, very impressed. Like I said, guys, Super Clean products, amazing. We use them every day around here. Really like their stuff. That's why we decided to make a video for them, so we could show off just what we do with Super Clean. One more time here. Those beautiful Super Clean. Whoops. It happens every time. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.